I had ordered 61K mechanical keyboard from Facebook Marketplace. I am going to unboxing this keyboard. It's a 61 key layout, commonly known as a 60% compact keyboard. Mention how this saves desk space and gives more room for mouse movement. The box explicitly states perfect performance for gamer, backed by a fast response time feature. It features vivid multi-zone RGB or rainbow backlighting, which you can see clearly on the box art. Be sure to dim your studio lights to show off the different color modes. This keyboard typically uses a wired USB Type-C connection that unplugs directly from the back of the board. This makes it incredibly easy to pack up for travel or swap out with custom coiled cables for a better desk aesthetic. It does not require any heavy bloated software to run. You just plug it in and it is ready to go, which is great for switching between different computers or consoles. Many versions of the 61K board feature a hot swappable circuit board. This means if you ever get tired of the clicky switches it comes with, you can use a switch puller to safely remove them and press in new ones without needing a soldering iron. The keycaps are usually made with a double-shot injection molding process. This ensures the letters and numbers will never fade away from heavy gaming, and it allows the LED lighting to shine perfectly through the legends. Fen key combinations. Because it is missing the function row and arrow keys, all of those missing commands, like media controls, volume, and arrow inputs, are mapped to secondary layers using the Fen key, anti-ghosting, N-key rollover. Built for gaming, the hardware is designed so that no matter how many keys you press at the exact same time, every single input will register accurately on screen without locking up. Customizable lighting. The RGB, or rainbow backlighting, often comes with multiple dynamic lighting modes, allowing you to personalize the look or sync it to your gaming setup. Some models even have onboard memory to remember your last lighting effect setting after powering off. These keyboards are generally equipped with tactile mechanical switches, like blue, brown, or red switches. They are built to last, with some boasting a lifespan of over 50 to 100 million keystrokes. Many feature N-key rollover, NKRO, or anti-ghosting, ensuring that all your key presses register accurately during intense gaming moments. Some models even allow for software macro definition, so you can set custom character orders. Since this is a 60% compact keyboard without dedicated media or lighting buttons, all the RGB and color modes are controlled using the FN function key combined with other keys. Demonstrating these shortcuts on camera is a great visual for your Zyojyo Tech viewers. While the exact manual might vary slightly by manufacturer, here are the industry standard shortcuts for the 61K and similar 60% mechanical keyboards. Change lighting effects. The main one. Press FN plus N. The backslash key, usually located right above the Enter key. Other important keyboard shortcut will be in the description box. Check the description. Do support Zyojyo Tech.